He's just one. He's just capping. He literally knows.
I don't have the train center, guys.
Okay. Whatever. You can do your cabin.
What did you do to your hair? What is this? I think you should see the train coming. Guys, we have upstairs, guys, in the train. So much. Upstairs, into the train. Where are we sitting? Right here? And there is one more coming in. Going up. See this is good.
Hey, how many stops till we make it?
Maybe the over the side.
Oh, great. I'm just gonna fall asleep there.
Might as well.
Take my shoes off.
It's hurting?
Huh?
It's hurting? No, we are in Ajax, guys. This is the Ajax GO train. This is the Ajax stop. We are in. Yeah. This is the Ajax stop. Yeah, we are in Ajax now, guys. This is the casino. Going to Pickering now. We are at the casino. We are still in Ajax, but we are going to Pickering now. And this one is Pickering GO station. So you come off over here and walk through this thing, the tunnel, the stairs. So you walk through there to go over on the other side to the mall. And this is over there, this side here. So you walk through that thing there, walk on the stairs and go over to the mall. This one is Pickering GO station. And right along there you have the seat, you can sit and wait on the train. Yeah. This one,
Please stand clear of the doors. Doors not closing. Stand clear.
Train, this is a short train goes.
In the tunnel to platform 2, which is at a service of Rochelle. Platform 2 is currently inaccessible for passengers from a separate contact. While this platform typically serves eastbound trains, platform changes may also impact westbound trains there as well.
Train that go up. It's an ocean. It's beautiful. And now we are entering into Rouge Hill now. This is the Rouge Hill GO stop. So right here we are at the Rouge Hill.
You can take the train, come out the front, then take the 200 coming
And got the zoo. Okay. So this is the Rouge Hill that we are right now. GO train. Yeah, this is the Rouge Hill stop. So yes. This one is the Rouge Hill, guys. Stop and then now we are moving. This is a train, guys. You can see one thing Canada investing in, guys, a lot of trails. People just walk at the beach side. I call it the beach, even though it's the lake, but I call it the beach side. So yeah, see the one down in the rail, this is a beach, and that's the trail go way back, guys. This trail maybe go into see people on the bridge there, so you guys can see it. That's fun. see how much a train from how far these one thing Canada investing guys, there's a lot of train. You can just get up and walk in your family or your friends, and you know, in the morning or evening. Guys, remember to like, share and subscribe guys if you like my content. Yes, wherever I'm going, I'll take you guys at all times. So if you like my content guys, please give me a subscribe, like and share.
Everywhere.
And this one is the Scarborough. No, this is Olive Oil. This one is the Scarborough. And here we have the all-around train. It's a little short train, go all around in Canada.
Why we
It's the Scarborough
Rub it like this
stop.
first and then you go
So now we are gonna leave from the Scarborough
wait for that now.
train, GO trains station. This is where I'll find the people park. People don't really drive to their work. They just come and park here and take the GO train. Now we are at Edmonton, and they park. See, so many vehicles all over parking. Yeah.
Oh man.
And for guys, and it's like the rain is falling. It come down.
Is the rain?
The rain
Is
is
it
coming
raining?
down, guys, and we don't know how we're gonna. We have my grandkids and me and my grandkids and my daughter. And I don't know if the rain falls. We're going downtown. We don't know how we're gonna do it, but anyway, we'll see.
Do it. It's raining.
Guys, it is raining and we are downtown. Yeah, it is raining, guys. Much
Are we literally about to be here?
And the boys okay already?
Are we here?
Yeah, here is some stuff.
Followed by
Guys, remember to like, share, and subscribe.
Wait,
Guys, thank you so much. I'm
Grandma, this
almost
stopped
coming out,
raining.
guys, and it is raining down here, but it's
Grandma,
not bad
what
now.
do you
The
mean
sun
it's
is
not
coming out
raining
back,
anymore?
and we don't know, but we have the
Grandma,
kids
no,
in the
Grandma,
rain.
Grandma, if you look,
There's people waiting to go back to Ajax Speaker in all these places. So much people down here waiting, guys. Yeah, people waiting to go back. Yeah, back to the east while we are at the west. And guys, see, we are coming down here. So much people. We won't be back. Oh, they're so cool, guys. So crowded, guys. On to the mall. So crowded.